Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is Arc Plus. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Arc Plus 360. You can scroll down and check here contact address. You can see this presentation. In the 360 business model, we create a diversified ecosystem within the blockchain universe. With multiple forms of interaction, it is possible to explore opportunities from competitions and digital exchanges to new forms of financial engagement. And next guys, we discuss what is Arc Plus. The Arc Plus project brings together gaming and blockchain, offering an immersive and secure experience. Here, players can earn reward, trade digital asset, and have full control over their earnings. In addition to playing, you can monetize achievements and explore an innovative ecosystem. Participate in tournaments, trade items, and discover a new way to experience the gaming world. And next, you can scroll down and check here why does Arc Plus. Blockchain technology, enabling transparent information sharing across the Arc Plus network stack. Purchase Arc Plus token can be used for BTC farming, supply 1 million of tokens made available airdrop adventures. Tokens will be distributed among campaigns carried out on the adventures platform. The Last Iceland game. April 2025, new open world RGP survivor game released, pre-sale price USD 0.01061. And as you can check here, launch price in USD 0.01564, fee 6% when buying and selling. Burn 312,000 tokens have already been burned due to currency scarcity. Launch details you can check here November 2025, and next you can see this receive USD from the Arc Plus stack platform. Every investor will be able to deposit their Arc Plus tokens on our stacking platform and redeem BTC as a reward. Our stack will be supplied with USD 1000 in BTC for a period of 10 months to be distributed among those who opt for this passive income opportunity. You can check here zero fee for depositing Arc Plus token. Deposited amounts will be locked for 10 months, remembering that you can withdraw your rewards at any time. So guys, you can stack platform now. So in Arc Plus, so guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can see this stacking page open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Phantom, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet. So guys, you can select any wallet, then you can deposit Arc Plus token now. Then you can, if you want to deposit, then you can click here, then you can enter your deposit Arc Plus amount. For example, I enter 1000, then you can deposit now, then you can start stack now. You can check here and next be back to the home page. And next guys, you can go to this project and DEX tool details. So you can click here and see this project Arc Plus DEX tools page is open. You can check here, you can see this. So you can click this, okay, I got it. Then guys, you can check here. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Wallet Connect, Phantom, OKX wallet, MetaMask, Binance wallet. So guys, you can select any wallet. Then you can click here and select network. So I select network BNB. Then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 1200. Then you can receive Arc Plus token now. If you want to sell Arc Plus, then you can click here and enter your Arc Plus amount. Then you can receive bonus now. So guys, first of all, you can deposit your account, then you can buy and sell now. You can check here Arc Plus price chart. You can see this price up and down. You can get huge profit now. You can check here price $0.06748. And after you can scroll down and check here. You can check here trade history. You can check here all detail, and next you can scroll down and check here market cap price $43.77k, liquidity amount $9.4k, circulating slice 650, total holders 164, 24-hour volume $1.01k, total market cap $46.05k, Total supply you can check here 683.89k, volatility is 0.1074. So guys, you can click here and see this more info, circulating supply. You can check here, you can read carefully all it is. You can check here ARK Plus live price and buy information. The ARK Plus is live price is 0.0692 USD with a market cap of 43.77k dollar USD, or 24-hour trading volume of 1.01k dollar. You can check here, you can see this DAX score. You can check here all detail, you can see this. And next we back to the home page, and next guys we can go to further detail about this project ARK Plus. Guys, you can check here Twitch profile ARK Plus gains. You can check here ARK Plus gains profile in Twitch. You can check here, you can see this last live 6 hours ago profile. Check here 40 followers. You can check here, you can scroll down and check here official website link, Telegram, Twitter. You can follow now. You can check here, you can see this gains picture. You can check here all is the gains video. So guys, you can click some video and watch this video completely. You can check here, for example I click now, then you can play this video now. Guys, you can see this all is the gaming clip. You can check here all clip about this game ARK Plus. You can check here, and next guys you can back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project official Twitter page link. Guys, you can check here ARK Plus official Twitter page is open. You can follow this, and you can check here invest in the live stock market, join our Telegram channel. You can check here Telegram channel. You can see this, you can check here all posts about this project, the last Iceland. You can check here, you can see this, you can like and comment this post and watch this video about this gaming project ARK Plus. You can check here all clips, and next we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project Telegram. So guys, you can click here and see this Telegram of this project ARK Plus. Guys, you can see this ARK Plus Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 2111 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and see this further detail about this project, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.